Hello guys, my name is Maria and I'm going to talk about the dawn of extinction. So as we know, there's a lot of animals that are endangered species. Like which one, you're going to ask? Well, dolphins, elephants, tigers, lions, gorillas. There's different types of birds. There's different types of fishes, believe it or not. And who's causing this? And I'm going to say, unfortunately, I'm going to say humans. Why? Because we are, let's say, killing forests. A lot of the animals live in forests. What happens if they take your home away? So pretty much you don't have where to live. You can find another one. But what happens if you find another place to live and then they come again and get rid of your place? So this is what we've done once and twice and more than that to animals, making them just pretty much die. And once dead, there's no way back. So while I was looking at the TED Talk, I actually found it really interesting how there's a lot of organizations that they actually care about these animals and they're trying to look for different solutions. This is something that has been coming up for years and years and years. And what have we done about it? Nothing. We just stay back, let other people do it, but we don't actually give any type of support or anything, which I don't think it's right. While I was looking at the TED Talk, I was able to find this really interesting animal called bucardo. This was distinguished in the year 2000. This is an animal from Spain, and actually he used to live in cold weather. Unfortunately, there's no more of this. What happened? This scientist and particular group of this organization was able to get the DNA out of this animal, and they were trying different ideas. I mean, everything, and not everything was working properly because it's with animals, but they actually came back to a really good solution, which is insemination. So what happens, they take the DNA of an animal and they find the closest living relative to it. Pretty much they inseminate that DNA and all the process. They get tissues, they get different parts, whatever they need to get this done. And they actually inseminate it out to the new bird that might probably have more animals of the same species and let them reproduce. So they did actually that test with a passenger pigeon that looks just like this. This pigeon was extinguished in 1914. So it looks just like this, and as you guys can see there, they have like a really long tail, and they actually were able to put it to a different type of bird which looked the same. It's a different pigeon. It's not going to be the passenger, but it was really close to it. While they did insemination and everything, they actually the process was a total success. So they have another bird that it's just like the same. It has a shorter tail because of the difference in DNA and the biological things, but it came out to be pretty much the same. So yeah, we're not they have done this studies a couple of times, and we might not have the same type of animals that we used to. We might be creating a new ones, but we're actually at least solving the problem. We're stopping that from happening. And as we know, there's a lot of evolutions, that there's a lot of things evolving, mutating, and I think it's fine as long as we can save the animal. There's another tiger that I never knew either about it until right now. It's called the Tasmanian tiger, and it looks just like this. It's kind of like a dog, and it was with kind of like a mix between a dog and a tiger, and this was extinguished in 1936. Unfortunately, I would love to see one of them, but we don't have them anymore. But just like species like this, there's a lot that we probably missed before because we didn't have the right tools. But now it looks like we're going to be able to work this out, and this solution is going to happen and help the whole environment. So I think it will be good if we can join different organizations and give them support. We probably can't afford anything. I mean, we probably don't have the resources or the knowledge to do it, but I think if we just give them support and join them and try to push them, I think that helps more than anything else. So I think, guys, we should take care of our animals, and hope you guys liked the video.